But hi everyone, I'm Vivian Lin and I'm the organizer for this event as well as industry outreach coordinator for Design at UCI. I'm glad that you guys can make it to our opening ceremony and I'm excited to see you all. We'd like to give you all a warm welcome to Impact 2022 Design at UCI second annual Designathon. We hope that you guys will be able to create a product with the potential to impact the world this weekend, or at least let this be an opportunity for you guys to learn and grow as designers. Before we start, feel free to turn on your cameras on and use our cute backgrounds, which are in a Google Drive that will be linked in the chat. And then also, as you can see, this ceremony is being recorded. It'll also be uploaded on our website, so you can refer to it if you miss anything. Anyways, I'll first hand it off to Hannah to introduce our club.
Okay, hi everyone. My name's Hannah Limery. I'm the president of Design at UCI here. So I'm super excited to help host today. And again, wanted to thank you all, participants, judges, and speakers alike for coming out and participating this weekend. I also want to give a big shout out to Vivian and Kevin, our industry outreach coordinators, as well as the rest of the board for putting in so much work to make this event possible. All right, so before we dive in further, I just wanted to quickly introduce who we are as an organization. So Design at UCI is the UX, UI, and graphic design club at UC Irvine. So our mission is to provide a welcoming community for designers of all backgrounds and skill levels to learn, innovate, and grow. So our events are open to anyone, so feel free to learn more at our website, which we'll link below, and I'll pass it on to Kevin.
All right. Hey, everyone. I'm Kevin, and I'm also the industry outreach coordinator here at Design UCI. This year, we are super excited to be partnering with Sketch. And for those of you who don't know what Sketch is, it's basically a vector graphics editor that is standard software in the design industry. So this year, they're generously providing us with free 1-year licenses to give away. So make sure to stay till the end of the event to join us for the giveaway.
So now we'll be going over the agenda for the next few days. All times are in PST, so if you're in a different time zone, please make sure to note that. Today, we just have our opening ceremony that's happening right now, and we also have mentor office hours on Discord at 8. We'll elaborate on what mentor office hours are later, but make sure to join the event Discord so you guys have access. On Saturday is when we'll be having all of our workshops. So at 10 a.m., we have Designing Under Constraints workshop, which is pretty applicable to Designathon since you guys are limited to 3 days. And then at 11 a.m., we have mentor hours on Discord. And at 12, we have how to effectively present your designs, which will be very useful for finalists who are pitching on Sunday. And then at 2 p.m., we also have our How to Build Tech for Social Good workshop hosted by CTC. Also on Saturday, we have Prototyping in Figma. This will be hosted by our Vice President, Ava. And at 5, we have Design Basics with Hannah. And at 7, please join us for our Petter Social with Izzy on Discord. It'll be a really fun event and it'll be very chill and relaxing from all the hustle and bustle of designing. So please make sure to attend if you guys are interested. And at 8 p.m., we'll be having our last mentor office hours. Yeah. And then for Sunday at 1 p.m. is the deadline to submit. Make sure you get it in by then, and the submission form is available on both the website and the Discord. And then at 3 p.m., finalists will be notified through email and Discord about their status. And then if they want to submit a slide deck, you're allowed to at 3:45 p.m. and that'll be sent through the email or the Discord that we send to them. And then at 4 p.m., we have presentations. And then here, the top 8 finalists will be giving 7-minute pitches and everyone's welcome to attend. So it'll be really interesting to see. So come out and support your fellow designers. And then 6 p.m. is when we'll have our closing ceremony. And that's when we'll be announcing our winners for both Designathon and our raffle.
Yeah, so our event will be organized in a straightforward fashion. So our primary mode of communication will be through our Discord server, where you can ask questions and get a live notification for events. Our website is also available for reference, but information on the Discord is the most updated and accurate. And finally, to help us check if your entire team is eligible to compete, please comment on this team formation spreadsheet, which I will link in a second. Teams listed here aren't finalized and are subject to change up until you guys submit, but it's just for us to ensure your team won't get disqualified just because of one ineligible team member. So the link can also be found in the Discord under the Welcome and Start channel, but I will send it now.
So going more into mentor office hours. So this is also in thanks to the help of Commit the Change. So for today and tomorrow, we'll be having office hours at 8 p.m. and then tomorrow is 11 a.m. and 8 p.m. So this is for us to provide help to participants, and you can easily hop in the mentor office voice channel on the Discord for live help, or you could also send a message in design questions. And then as a side note, these channels are available to view once you get the participant role, which you can get by reacting to one of the messages in the Welcome and Start channel. But yeah, I would highly encourage you guys to utilize this resource for feedback or even just to run some ideas by them. And then, so next we'll be meeting our amazing judges who took the time to participate in our event. So here we have Lillian, Vanessa, Nathan, and Jared, and we'll let them introduce themselves. Is Lillian here? I'm not sure. I don't think so. So we'll move on to the next judge.
Hi everyone, my name is Sanessa and I'm a senior designer at Accenture Interactive. So I focused in visual design and art direction, and my day-to-day work spans from digital design services to brand and content strategy. And then outside of work, I run an educational nonprofit called Menti with my college friends from UC San Diego, where I graduated, which is not too far from UCI.
Mute and Zoom. Hi all, my name is Nathan Gao. I'm an experience design lead at Northwestern Mutual, and I work in difficult problem spaces across nearly all aspects of design, research, visual and UI, information architecture, interaction, all the while guiding other designers and driving projects, trying to help others better navigate complexities in their world. And we're really looking forward to looking at the work from everybody this weekend.
Hey there, my name is Jared. I've been building things in the software space for the last 12 years. I've held software engineering roles, product design roles, UX roles. I've led design teams, I've led engineers. But today I run a coaching company where I get to work with managers and executives and help them build thriving careers and teams. So I'm very excited to see all your work this weekend. Good luck, everyone.
All right, so now for what you guys are all waiting for, the challenge brief for Impact 2022. All right, so we'll run through the challenge brief here, but you can also reference it on our website once it releases at 6:30 p.m. PST, so very soon. And we will link our website below for you guys as well. So the prompt for this design-a-thon is to design your own desktop or mobile application that advocates for either social justice or sustainability. So we purposely made these two tracks more generic, so feel free to put your own interpretation into this and be creative. And remember, you and your team must only pick one of these tracks to focus on, so either social justice or sustainability. In terms of grading, the first round will be judged based on user experience and user interface of your submitted prototype. So all eligible prototypes submitted on time will receive a grade for these two aspects. However, the second round will be judged based on target audience, user research, and design thinking. And so only the top 8 finalists that make it to the second round will be judged based on those aspects, based on the pitches or presentations that they give on Sunday. So again, all this information and more can be found on our site at 6:30 p.m. PST.
So to get more into the rubric, each category will be weighted differently according to the right column for a total of 70 points. So as you can see, user experience is the final product, like user-friendly and intuitive. User interface is the overall user interface, visually appealing without sacrificing its functionality. And then for the finalists that will be graded, so they have target audience. So does your solution target the correct audience and their needs? User research, are the suggested solutions backed up with extensive research of the user's needs? And most importantly, design thinking process. So does your product properly address the issues through a set of well-thought solutions? So an even more detailed rubric will be available on the website and sent through the Discord. But if you'd like to view it now, you can also see the link in the chat. Also for the rubric, after the event ends, we'll be sending out like a feedback sheet, and then it'll be based off of this rubric.
All right, so there's a couple of rules for this year's Designathon. Firstly, you may not submit work that was previously designed before Impact 2022. So all designs must be made between the dates of today, January 28th, and January 30th of this year, which is this Sunday. All work submitted must be original work, so any submissions with plagiarized work will be disqualified. All members of your team must also be a college student with an associated institutional email and from within the US, just so that we can verify that. Lead submissions will not be accepted. And if we find that there are any adjustments made to your prototype after Sunday, the 30th at 1 p.m. PST, which is the due date, you will be penalized. And finally, each team may submit only one submission, which will be submitted on behalf of all other contributors.
Okay, and going into specific submission rules, so the submission form itself is already up on the website and is also available on the Discord under the rules channel. And then, so the final project should be submitted in a form of a showable prototype link of the design tool of interest with at least 8 high fidelity wireframes. And then they must only contain original or royalty artworks. And you have to cite these sources in the submission form. And the deadline again is Sunday, January 30th at 1 p.m. PST. Oh shoot, sorry. So we'll reach out to all 8 finalists through the email and Discord handles that were provided in the submission form at 3 p.m. And then, but in regards to the presentations themselves, we encouraged all participants to prepare a 7-minute pitch for their prototypes, just because we understand that the time between being notified that you're a finalist and the actual presentations is very short. And the pitches should cover like the 3 categories mentioned in the rubric. So target audience, user research, and design thinking process.
All right, so this is a really exciting opportunity that Commit the Change, or CTC for short, is providing to Designathon participants. So CTC is an organization at UCI that creates software for nonprofits. So as part of this opportunity, CTC is providing participants with a chance to have their designs developed and turned into usable software. So in the project submission form, there's an option for participants to indicate interest in this opportunity. CTC representatives will also be attending the finalist pitches and selecting the desired projects from these 8 finalists. And then Design at UCI will put the chosen teams in contact with CTC. So this is a super exciting opportunity. We really encourage you guys to take advantage of it. As mentioned before, CTC will also be hosting a workshop during the Designathon. So if you're interested in learning more about how to use tech for social good and how to create it, be sure to attend.
That was our collaboration with CTC. And now moving on to prizes. You might have already seen through our social media, but these are the prizes available for our winners. For each person on the first place team, they'll receive a 1-year-long sketch license, a $40 gift card, and then the Design at UCI sticker set and Designathon stickers, which were designed by like our board. And then they'll also receive a one-on-one mentorship session with a judge of your choice. And then contact information will be sent to the winners after. And then the teams will also get featured both on the Design at UCI website and also our social media. And then for second place, we have a $15 gift card for each person, more stickers, a feature, and then the one-on-one mentorship sessions. And then for third place, we have the stickers and features.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, super exciting, those prizes. But you don't have to rank top 3 to win something. So we're also having some raffles. So one person who posts in the Just for Fun channel on Discord before our closing ceremony at 6 p.m. PST on Sunday will receive a free set of Design at ECI and Design-a-thon stickers. So more of like the rules are in that channel, posted in that channel. So make sure to check that out. And then everyone who submits a prototype will also be entered in the raffle to win a sketch license and the raffle to win a 1-year subscription license to Axure RP Team Edition. And so, you know, anyone on a team who submits a prototype will be entered in those raffles. So we'll announce the raffle winners at our closing ceremony, so stay tuned. Okay, and then really quickly wanted to plug our Design at ECI merch. So please consider supporting our club and purchasing our stickers as well as our limited edition embroidered t-shirts. All of these designs were made in-house by our wonderful designers. So please, you know, feel free to support us and the events that we do. So you can purchase at the QR code on the screen or at the Google form, which we'll link in the chat. And shipping is included, so you can purchase even if you aren't in the Irvine area. All right, and then while you guys prepare your projects, feel free to check out the resources we have featured on our website. From past workshops we've held to design guides and tools, you can find some really helpful information to get you started. So yeah, the link is there.
Oh, it's 6:30 now, so yeah, I just wanted to say thank you all for attending our opening ceremony and good luck on your designs this weekend. And then also hope to see you all at our workshops tomorrow. But yeah, good luck.